Ganda ni ate ka.
Sino mo puti no?
Naririnig mo lang kanina, lo.
Uy, yun na. Yes!
To the community who made this feat possible. To the basketball fans of all ages, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to you all. And welcome to the grand opening ceremony of Lakers Story, providing
Bakit na kaya yan? Yes!
Ay, Yoka, yung mama ko yan.
Sigaw ka na!
program. May I request everyone to rise for the opening prayer.
Prayer, prayer.